In this video, I'll guide you through how to install add-ons in Google Docs. Add-ons are small tools you can connect to Google Docs to add extra features, automate tasks, or connect with other services you already use. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find, install, and enable them so they're ready to use in your documents. To get started, open Google Docs in your browser. You can either create a new blank document or open an existing one. It doesn't matter which, as long as you're inside an actual document and not just on the Google Docs home screen. Some people click around the home page trying to find add-ons and get confused, so make sure you're actually in a document where you can see the main toolbar and menu at the top. Once your document is open, move your attention to the menu bar at the very top of the page. Here you'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Look for the one labeled Extensions. This is where Google has grouped add-ons and extra tools. Click on Extensions, and in the drop-down that appears, hover over or select Add-ons. From there, choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window or side panel, depending on your screen size. Think of this marketplace as an app store specifically for Google Docs and other Google Workspace apps. Inside the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top along with some featured or recommended add-ons. To find something specific, click in the search bar and type the name of the add-on you're looking for, or a keyword that describes what you need, like citation, mail merge, or diagram. Then press enter. You'll now see a list of add-ons that match your search. Each result will usually show the add-on's name, a brief description, its rating, and how many users have installed it. Take a moment to read the descriptions so you choose something that really matches what you want to do. If you're unsure, you can click on an add-on's name to open its full page and see more details, screenshots, and user reviews. When you've found the add-on you want, click on it to open its details page if you haven't already. On this page, look for the Install button, usually near the top. Click Install. A confirmation box will appear, and you may be asked to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure it's the same account you're using for Google Docs. After that, Google will show you a list of permissions the add-on is requesting. Read these carefully so you understand what the add-on can access, such as your documents or basic account info. If you're comfortable with the permissions, click Allow to continue. This step is required for the add-on to function correctly within your documents. Once the installation finishes, you'll usually see a confirmation message. To start using the add-on, go back to the Extensions menu at the top of your document. You should now see the add-on listed there. From that menu, you can open it, run its features, or adjust its settings depending on what the add-on offers. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open Google Docs, access the Extensions menu, use the Google Workspace Marketplace to search for an add-on, and then install it by allowing the necessary permissions so it's ready to use in your documents.